just cook shrimp vegetable fried rice. The rice already cooked actually, which I just mix it with soya sauce, some onion, and this is a frozen vegetable. I cook little bit before I put it. Then this shrimp. So now I'm going to just to make a little bit platter here. This is dinner time, so I added 2 scrambled egg, because here is this is scrambled egg actually. That's why in Chinese fried rice they add little bit eggs and vegetable fried rice with shrimp. So rest of it I'm going to save. So I will leave it in the refrigerator. And soya sauce have a lot of salt, so I have to be very careful when adding salt and soya sauce to check it out. I'm going to just